Hello friends, my name is Umberto. I'm an Italian American living in the Philippines since 2017. Since I've been here, I've met a lot of very nice people, and I have decided that I'm on the quest to find myself a Filipino wife. So I have joined my friend Shell and my friend Janice here in this channel, and on a regular basis we're going to have my updates on how the process is going, looking for this beautiful life partner that I'm looking for. Since here in the Philippines the younger girls don't mind the older folks, and I don't mind the younger girl, which is kind of fun. It's going to be interesting. So look for me in this channel on a regular basis for the updates, and we'll see what we can find. No Pangat girls, right? See you. Ciao.
Ciao.